విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hello, welcome to English Grammar 6th video. In this video, we are going to learn about simple past tense. Simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? In simple past tense, we use an action that is completed or an action that was started in the past and that was completed any time before the time was speaking. In simple words, you can say an action completed in the past or an action took place any time in the past that also completed in the past itself. We can talk about condition also. An action or condition completed any time in the past. Here we use the formula subject plus second form of the verb. We call it a past form of the verb plus complement. So second form of the verb is used. Simple past tense, an action, complete action or condition completed any time in the past. Recently we studied present perfect tense. Present perfect tense told an action completed recently. Recently completed action is used in present perfect tense. Any time action completed in the past is called past simple past tense. For example, recently completed, today itself. He has gone to his grandmother's house. He has gone. That means recently completed. That is present perfect tense. He has gone. Subject plus hour plus verb 3. But when you use the same sentence in simple past tense, you say second form of the verb. He went to his grandmother's house last week. Here the verb can be a be form. Be form verbs you can use. What are the be form verbs? Present is the verb 1, verb 2. We need verb 2. Verb 1 is, are, and already we have studied. But today for simple past tense verb 2 was or were. So we have to use be form verb was or were. Condition verb. Be form verbs are condition. You want to talk about a condition that is which is over. For example, India was under the British rule before 1947. We can use a have form. Here, the second form of the verb can be a have form. Possession verb. Have forms are possession verbs. Present have form. Have over. But today, past one you have to use had. Had. Possession completed. We had a party yesterday. We had a party yesterday. We cannot say we have because have is present. We have a party today, but completed action. We had a party last Sunday. We can use the do form verbs also. Do or does, present is do or does, and past did. Subject plus verb 2. He did his homework. I did. Only choice is not the only single one. Did. Who did? I subject. I did. You did. Or you can make a main verb also. Here Verb 2 can be main verbs. Verb 2 can be before, was or verb. Verb 2 can be have form, had. The verb 2 can be do form, did. And also verb can be main verbs. Present form, past form, present form, second one, past form. See, saw. You have used saw. I saw the movie last week. I see the movie. You cannot use it. That is simple present tense because verb 1 is in this. Verb 1 is using simple present tense. This simple past second form of the verb is used. We saw the movie last week. Here we shall use the words yesterday. Yesterday. Day before yesterday. Last week. Last month. Last year. Long ago. Long ago there was a king. Long ago. Once upon a time. Once upon a time there was a king. Once upon a time, yesterday, day before yesterday, 2 days back, 2 days ago, once upon a time, long ago, long ago, or any year which is coming out, 2020, you can say 2015. I went to Hyderabad for the function in 2015. Oh, he got married. He got married in 2018. Here it is over. So this kind of work is simple past tense, an action or condition completed any time in the past. Formula subject you are use verb 2. Verb 2 can be form, was or were, have form, had, do form, did, or main verb. Some of the words you could use yesterday, day before yesterday, all this you can use. An example. Use play. The verb to play. Play is the first one. Second form of the verb played. We can say I played. What? Chess. I played chess. If you want to say time, you can say I played chess last week. Another verb, sing. Sing. Sing is first form of the verb. Sang is second form of the verb. She sang a sweet song. He sang a sweet song the last cultural program. Another verb you might go for waste. Waste. Second form of the verb all of you know wasted. Some of the verb you have in second C. Ed is added. Here E or is the D is added. Second form of the verb we can form by adding D or Ed or entirely new word. Sing, sang. Here waste, wasted. You waste your time or you wasted your time. Here habitualized means you waste your time. Now it is past. You wasted. You wasted your time in idle talk. In idle talk. You wasted your time in idle talk. Another verb is make. 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 And then second form of the verb as you know, make, made. You have to make a sentence with made. We made him the leader. We made him the leader. Subject plus second form of the verb. We made him. Water, the leader. When last year, told. What is it? He told a lie. He told a lie. If you want to mention that, well, you cannot say recently, completed. He told a lie yesterday. He told a lie yesterday. Now, once more you revise what is simple past tense? An action or condition completed any time in the past. But present perfect tense will say an action or condition recently completed. Here in the simple past tense we use subject plus second form of the verb. Second form of the verb in English called past form. So past form of the verb is used. Past form of the verb can be a be form. Is are present change to past was over. Same way a have form. Have has present, had is past. A do form. Do or does is present, past form you know, did is past form. And main verb we can use second form of the verb. So when you use second form of the verb, it automatically simple past tense. You can use add some words yesterday, day before yesterday, once in a year, long ago, in 2000, which is year 2014, 13, like that. So I hope you understood. As a homework, again write 10 sentences write a paragraph. In this video, you write a paragraph about your previous activities or how you spent your previous day. The previous day can be your birthday. So you write how did you spend your previous birthday. Or your previous activity can be you went for a picnic. How you spend the picnic.